Good morning. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are all fine. Today we have model exam number 3. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. 1. White blood cells, blood platelets, red blood cells are small sized cell fragments that forming blood platelets. Number 2. The friction force between water and the object that moves through it is called water resistance, air resistance, movement. The friction force between water and the object that moves through it is called water resistance. Number 3. Wasting money, damaging machine parts, lighting up a match is from the advantage of friction. Lighting up a match is from the advantage of friction. Number 4. The blood vessels that emerge from the heart are called veins, arteries, blood capillaries. Arteries emerge from the heart exactly from the ventricles. Number 5. The two kidneys, two ureters, veins are the most important organs of the urinary system. The two kidneys. Number 6. The soil contains gravels produced from the breaking down of proteins, rocks, fats, breaking down of rocks. Question number 2. Put right or wrong. Number 1. Friction force causes a rise in the temperature of the machine parts. It's true. There are valves within the heart cavity. It's true. Number 3. Nitrogenous wastes are removed by the urinary system. It's true. Nitrogenous wastes like urea and uric acid are removed by the kidneys. Number 4. The soil is the thin, loose, superficial layer of Earth's crust. It's true. Number 5. Air resistance is considered as a type of friction that hinders the motion of the objects. Yes, it's true. Number 6. Ureter is a tube that extends from the bladder to open outside the body. It's wrong. Urethra is a tube that extends from the bladder to open outside the body. Number 7. The color of sand soil is black while that of the clay soil is gray. It's wrong because the color of sand soil is yellow while that of the clay soil is black. Number 3. Correct the underlined words. Number 1. The value of friction between two surfaces depend on the color of materials of both surfaces? No, depend on the type of materials of both surfaces. Number 2. The lower chambers of heart are called atria. The two lower chambers of heart are called ventricles. Number 3. Rocks add nutrients to the soil. Humus add nutrients to the soil. Number 4. Car brakes that are used to slow down or stop the car depend on movement force, depend on friction force. B. Give reasons for. Number 1. The two sides of heart are separated to prevent mixing of blood in the two sides of heart. Number 2. Roots are important for the soil. What is the function of roots? They hold the soil to be cohesive, they prevent soil erosion, and they add nutrients to the soil. Number 3. The silt soil is the most suitable soil for cultivation because it's rich in humus. The silt soil is highly fertility. Question number 4. Look at the figure and answer. The figure represents what? Urinary system. A. Kidney. B. Ureter. C. Urinary bladder. B. What happens when there is no valves inside the heart? Valves allow blood to pass from atrium to ventricle and prevent returning back of blood. So what will happen? If there is no valves inside the heart, the blood will return back from ventricles to the atria. Number 2, parachutist opens his parachute on landing. The surface area will increase, so air resistance will increase and the speed of landing will decrease.